Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My thesis topic is growing popularity of restaurant food in Bangladesh. My name is MD Rahat Ahmed and my ID is 183352594. I am supervised by Shah Fahad Hossain Sir, lecturer of Software Engineering Department, Daffodil International University. Here is my outlines. First of all, I will discuss the problem statement, then motivation, then research question, then research objective, the most important thing, methodology, and last but not the least is literature review. Problem statement. Basically, I influence from some problem which is currently facing in restaurant industry and restaurant going trend. A large number of Dhaka city people are currently depends on restaurant food in their daily life. Eating outside the home is a new trend of Dhaka city. Many of our students and professionals have to take outside food as they stay outside for a long time in a day. Following trend is another reason behind restaurant food intake. Motivation. It will show the current scenario of restaurant consumer and my where I will discuss the influencing key factor of restaurant food in my research. And I think my research paper will help the restaurant owner to analyze the customer perception. Research question. My research question is what is the current scenario of restaurant popularity? Research objective. My first research objective is analyze the public demand of restaurant food. And the second one is discuss the impact of restaurant food in our health. And my research is a structured questionnaire based work, and I will apply an effective survey method to analyze the actual scenario. Here is the methodology. First of all, I will collect the data through of online survey and offline man-to-man interview. Then I will data process the data and I will analyze the data, and finally I will visualize the data. Here is some sample of data collection. Currently, I make a online survey from, and I am starting to collect data from people. Here is the literature review. My first and best paper is Factor Influencing the Selection of Restaurant for Dining in Dhaka City of Bangladesh, which is uh, its methodology is EFS, CF, and path model. And the paper finding is this study identified six factors that influence the selection of restaurant for dining in Dhaka. The limitations of this paper is this paper can taking more sample, which is identify more factors. Second one is having habit of eating out by professionals of Bangladesh, a way to save time and effort for more productive works. It is also a work from 2018 year. This paper methodology is structured questionnaire and stratified sampling method. Findings of this paper is the compelling factors are dominant in taking the decision and motivating factors are working behind such decisions. Limitations of this paper is the sample size and frame could be enlarged to include non-professionals of different areas to generalize the findings. My third paper is factors influencing consumers' choice of street foods and fast foods in China. It's a survey from China from 2018 year. The methodology of this paper is survey method, diverse sampling method. Findings of this paper is both fast foods and street foods expanded swiftly with a rocket speed in China. My fourth paper is factor influencing customers' decisions to use online food delivery service during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a recent work from 2021. The methodology of this work is STEM, Technology Acceptance Model, and Self-Administered Questionnaire. Findings of this paper is this study examines the influencing factors affecting customer to use online food delivery. The limitations is an additional variable should be included to gain a better understanding of customer behaviors. Factors. My fifth paper is factors influencing Iranian consumers' attitude towards fast food consumption. It is also a work from 2018. The method of this paper is quantitative and correlational survey. Findings of this paper is health consciousness and trust are the main effective factors and married responded are positive towards fast food consumption. Limitations is use of mass media can expand that dissemination of information. Here's my last paper which I review for literature. The paper name is Factors Influencing Consumer Item Selection in a Restaurant Context. It's a work from 2020. The methodology of this paper is BWS based or scaling model. The findings of this paper is this study contributes to understanding the attitude based preference of Australian restaurant patrons. There is some limitations that multimedia, graphical content, and conduct longitudinal study may improve the results. Thank you, everyone.